Arlington Mayor Jeff Williams here, sending you a message from my home to yours. I'm here at my kitchen table, spread out and working here at home. My wife, Karen, is in the study, and that's our normal places to work. And we're following the stay home, work safe policy that we just passed here in our Arlington City Council, but also all of Tarrant County, and most of the cities and urban areas throughout the state have now adopted. Now, this stay home, work safe, what does it mean? Well, by staying home, we have the opportunity to help stop the spread of this virus. That we are safe by not being infected from someone else, but also we're not out there and infecting anyone else. Dr. Simmons, our physician here at the city of Arlington, made a very profound statement yesterday that by practicing our social distancing and keeping our 6 feet and staying at home, we have a chance to stop this virus. It's something that we can do to make a difference here and move us out of this. Now, the other part of that stay home is to work safe. Well, when you're at home, you're in a safe environment, but also we want you to work smart. We want you to be productive. We want you to do your job so that you can continue to provide for your family. But also, as you are working, remember that you also are helping those families who have been less fortunate and have lost their jobs, because it will help us to rebound much more quickly if we continue to move our businesses and our economy on in this very important time of need. Now, I've got to say thank you to each one of our citizens, because you guys are following our restrictions so well. I really appreciate how you've practiced the social distancing and maintaining that 6 feet. I think the grocery stores has been one of the hardest places to do that, but remember to do it each and every time that you do have to go out, and also those that still have to go to the office or wherever you're at because you're an essential worker, be sure and practice that 6 foot distance around you. I also need to say thank you to our first responders and our medical professionals who are on the front lines. They are doing incredible work, and I'm so impressed with how they are operating, and it is going to make a difference, and they are making a difference, because we need to continue to work together so we can move out of this sooner rather than later. And continue to call and Skype your neighbor, help each other, and we are going to have a much better time as we move out of this. And I just want to say, God bless you and your families as we move towards better days ahead. Thank you for all you're doing.